Yo, what is up guys, Cyan here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to get 5 model crew colors in GTA 5 Online. If you do enjoy any of these model crew colors on today's video, I'd appreciate it if you guys can just go ahead and drop a like. I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyways, shout out to these guys for being first on my last video. If you guys want a shout out on the next video I post, all you guys gotta do is be first on a future video. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you do end up liking today's video, consider subscribing. It's free and you guys can always change your mind. And before today's video does start, a word from our sponsor. If you guys are low on cash for GTA 5 Online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Digizany for cheap and reliable GTA cash services. You guys can get cash drops, XP boosts, and even mod accounts for PC, Xbox, and even PlayStation 4. So if you need cash in GTA 5 Online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Digizany for cheap and reliable GTA cash services. And don't forget to use code TIME for 5% off. And yeah guys, let's continue the video. Now if you guys don't know how to change your crew colors in GTA 5 Online, it's really simple. All you guys want to do is go over to the Rockstar Social Club website. Once you guys are on the website, come over to crews right here. Once you guys are in the crews, pick my crew. Once you guys press it, if you guys own 2 crews, if you like the host, all you guys want to do is pick the crew that you're the main of, okay? Like the main crew you have, okay? Once you guys are in your main crew, all you guys want to do is come over to these 3 dots right here. Once you guys are on it, come over to edit crew right here. Now once you guys press edit crew, you should see this saying crew color. Once you guys see that, just press on the like color thingy, like the color rectangle, and then now you guys can switch up the thing. And yeah, and this is where you guys can put in the hex codes, which I'm gonna be showing in today's video. So yeah, let's continue the video. Now this is the first model crew color I'll be showing you how to make in GTA 5 Online. Now it's in 3D paint with a neon purple type looking color, so that's the hex code right there. All you guys want to do is go over to Social Club, put in the hex code, and then you should have the purple model crew color. Now I'll be showing you guys on how to get the 3D paint on it. So I just went and put matte black on everything just to show you step by step. So first things first, come over to metals, and all you guys want to do is go ahead and pick the brush black steel, or you guys can just go ahead and pick the pure gold. But in my opinion, I like the brushed black steel much better, okay? Once you have done that, come over to chrome, go ahead and put on the chrome, okay? And now once you guys have put on the chrome, all you guys want to do is back out. Once you guys have backed out, come over to crew and go ahead and put it. So as you guys can see, it's already showing up with the 3D paint with the model crew color. Now all you guys want to do is go ahead and back out to the secondary colors. So there we go, secondary color. And all you guys want to do is go ahead and put in the crew. Now this is optional. Because the T20, it looks way better right here. We'll just put in the crew color. But if you guys do own another vehicle, make sure you guys go ahead and do the same steps for the first primary color, okay? So go ahead and put the metal, then the chrome, and then the crew color if you guys want fully 3D paint. So this is how it looks like in outside. And now guys, keep in mind, these 3D paint colors all vary in different locations. So if it's a dark environment, it's gonna be bright. Sometimes it's not gonna be bright. If it's in a bright location like outside in the sunlight, you're gonna be seeing lots of chrome. But it varies in the location of where you are. And yeah, so on to the next model crew color I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make. So it's gonna be this one right here. It's like a hot pink looking color with a 3D paint. So all you guys want to do is just go ahead and put in the hex code on Social Club on your crew. Once you guys have done that, so let me just go ahead and remove all my colors to matte black. There we go. Now first things first, come over to primary color. Once you guys are in primary color, come over to metals. Once you are in metals, all you guys want to do is just go ahead and put on whichever one. But for me, I would recommend to go ahead and put on the brushed aluminum, okay? For this color, it just looks way better. It doesn't make a big difference, but it just makes it pop out more, okay? Now come over to the chrome, go ahead and put on the chrome. Once you guys have the chrome, all you guys want to do is back out and come over to crew. And as you guys can see, it's already showing up with that nice 3D paint. And all you guys want to do is go ahead and do the same thing for the secondary color. So back out. So yeah, also you guys can just go ahead and put on a pearlescent of your choice. Now for me, I would recommend to go ahead and put on a hot pink. It just makes it pop out more and it looks way more brighter. But the pearlescent is all your choice of preference, but for me, I like the hot pink because it makes the color stand out more, okay? And now just back out, come over to secondary color, and if you guys would like, you guys can just go ahead and put the crew on by itself, or if you want the 3D paint also, go ahead and put on the same steps you did for the first step. So go ahead and put the metal, chrome, and then the crew color, and then you should get the 3D paint like this. But since it's a T20, I like the that part right there where you guys see the Louis Vuitton logo. I like it just like with the crew color by itself. So let me take it outside and show you guys on how it looks like in light environment in different locations. So as you guys can see right now, it's dark time. So as you guys can see, it's not going to be the best looking color, but it still pops out with the 3D paint, all that. So this is how it looks like at nighttime, and I tried finding a pole, like a light pole, to make the colors pop out more. Okay, so on to the next color. Now the next modded crew color I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get is pure black. Now the pure black method is the same way I showed you on how to get the red. So you just want to come over to this thing right here, right click on it. Once you guys right click, come over to inspect element. Once you guys are inspect element, all you guys will just come over to the little value thing, and once you guys are on, just double tap, and you just want to delete every single thing except the hashtag and the quotes. All right, once you guys have deleted them, all you want to do is put in the code, which is 6 of them and 2 capital A's. Once you guys done that, just press enter. Once you guys do enter, come over, scroll down, and then just do save the crew. Once you guys do that, just refresh the page, and once you guys refresh it, you should get this thing all checkered out and stuff. All right, once you guys have done that, all you want to do is restart your GTA and then hop back in, and once you guys hop back into GTA, you should be able to get the color. All right, now I'll be showing you guys on how I got this black and blue gradient looking color on this vehicle. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove everything, just put matte black for me. You don't have to do this part, I'm just showing it like how to do step by step. Okay, first come over to crew color, and you just want to go ahead and put on the pure black. So there you go. Once you guys have that, go ahead and put the same thing for the secondary color as well. Now all you guys want to do, so as you guys can see, this is how the pure black looks like. And now when I compare it to the GT5 black, as you guys can see, it's a big difference on how they both look with the pure black and the GT5 black. Okay, the GT5 black color looks a bit grayish compared to the pure black. Okay, now all you guys want to do, once you guys have the crew color on, all you guys want to do is come over to florescence. Now this is all a preference option. You guys can pick whatever color you guys want, but for me, my top favorite is going to be the hot pink, the red, the candy red, or ultra blue. Okay, or bright orange and orange. Okay, these are my favorite ones right here out of these whole pearlescents, but this is all a personal choice. For me, I just went with the ultra blue. Okay, or you guys can also go with the candy red. As I said, that thing looks nice as well, but as I said, it's all a personal preference. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and pick whichever pearlescent you guys like. Okay, so for me, I went with the ultra blue just because it looks nice and all that, so I just went with the ultra blue. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks like outside. Now this one, it does not matter, it's not like the 3D paint where the color varies on the location. This one, you guys can see the gradient like anywhere. Okay, so as you guys can see, that gradient looks really nice. Now the next model crew color I'll be showing you how to make is going to be this gold chrome 3D paint job. So as you guys can see, this thing looks nice compared to the GT5 gold. This one looks way better, honestly, in my opinion. Okay, and a lot of you guys could probably agree with me, but this one right here looks nice. So all you guys want to do is go ahead and put on the hex code. Once you guys have the hex code, come with primary colors, and all you guys want to do is go ahead and put whatever metal you want. For me, I'm gonna go ahead with a pure gold because it's more shinier, and I want this colors to be a lot shiny. Okay, so once you guys have done that, come over to chrome, put on a chrome. Once you guys have put on the chrome, come over to crews, and just go ahead and put on the crew, and there you guys go. You guys got the color now. Okay, now once you guys have the crew on, back out to secondary color, and all you guys want to do is do the same exact thing. Okay, well, not really. If you guys do like the chrome, like the 3D paint, just go ahead and redo the same thing. Go ahead and put the pure gold, put on the chrome, and then third, put on the crew logo and that crew color, and as you guys can see, you got fully 3D paint, as you guys can see. But this is all a preference choice for the secondary color. If you guys, for the secondary color, you guys can just go ahead and put the crew, or you guys can just go ahead and put the 3D paint. Okay, so as you guys can see, for some reason these cops were just shooting at me while I was just like trying to park for some b-roll. But yeah, but as you guys can see, this is how the color looks like in the light. Okay, so it looks pretty nice. Okay, and the final color, for which you guys saw in the thumbnail, is this one right here. I had to leave it at the end. Okay, but yeah, this is how to get this one. This is really simple. All you guys gotta do is just change the the hex code. The hex code on the screen, just go ahead and put the hex code on your social club crew, and you guys are pretty much done. So, well, not really done, but first you want to go ahead and put on the metal to make it more shinier. For me, I went with a brushed gold, but you guys can pick whichever metal you want. But once you guys have done that, go ahead and put on the crew. Once you guys have the crew on, come over to pearlescent, and you guys can pick whatever pearlescent you guys like. So for me, I just picked the one that popped out the most. Okay, so I just kept on scrolling. So I did go with a yellow because it's a bit more, it makes the color a bit more pop, like show. You know, nah, I'm gonna go with a gasoline green probably. But as I said previously, the pearlescent is all a personal choice. Okay, you guys can pick whatever color you guys want. Now just come over to the secondary, go ahead and put the crew again, and you guys are done. And that's basically it for all the model crew colors in today's video. And also, if you guys do want a 3D paint job on this, just do the same steps you did previously. Go ahead and put on the metal. Once you guys have put on the metal, go ahead and put on the chrome, and once you guys have put the chrome on, put on the crew color. So this is the model color right here, and as you guys can see, this thing is probably my favorite one. I'd rank this here top second, with first place for me is gonna be the 3D paint with the modded purple. So yeah, so hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did end up having any one of these modded colors, I would appreciate it if you guys can go ahead and drop a like and comment down below which color you guys like the most. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with notifications on to never miss a future video. And yeah guys, Cyan sign out. Peace.